Thinking about upgrading your garage? Installing a subpanel could be the solution you need. A subpanel gives your garage extra electrical capacity, making it easier to add new circuits for things like power tools, lighting, or even a home office. It helps distribute electricity more efficiently, so you can run multiple devices without overloading your main panel. With better circuit management, you reduce the risk of overloads and improve overall safety. Plus, a subpanel offers flexibility for future upgrades, so you won't need a full panel replacement down the road. If you want a safer, more organized, and future-ready garage, a subpanel is a smart investment for your home.